Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mark. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to give you 7 realistic ways to save money. Getting yourself to save money can be a difficult thing to get started, but once you do and you start seeing improvements, it'll get addicting. I can't stress enough the importance of getting started today, like right now, so that you don't keep putting it off. So the first, and in my opinion, the best way to save money is by tracking your expenses. Once you start tracking your expenses and see where your money is going, you will be able to identify areas where you can reduce spending. You will be surprised and maybe even upset about where your money is going, but don't dwell on it too long because you're going to correct it. I personally use an app called EveryDollar. Obviously, I'm not sponsored by them, but I have a video on creating a budget here and it includes some examples. I'm going to be honest, it was one of my first videos and I spoke way slower than I do now for some reason, so watch it at 1.5 to 2 times the speed. The second way to save money is to pay yourself first. You should have a target dollar amount that you want to save a month. Right after you get paid and before you start spending your money on fun things, put as much of your target dollar amount as you can from your paycheck into your savings account. I like doing this because the less money I see in my checkings account, the less likely I am to spend that money on fun things. The third way to save money is to eat out less. Now, I'm not saying to cut it out completely, but eating out adds up. Try meal prepping, or if you have a lot of dates involving food, try having cooking dates. Cooking dinner is one of my favorite things to do with my girlfriend now, and we always make enough for both of us to have leftovers. Make sure your significant other doesn't overcook the pasta. The fourth way to save money is to reconsider your subscriptions. Now, I'm not saying you should cancel all or even many of your subscriptions. You can still keep your Netflix and chill or whatever you kids are doing these days, but even just canceling one can save you about $10 a month, depending on how much it was. Look through your subscription services and cancel any you don't really use. If there are any you haven't used in months, stop telling yourself you're going to use it soon. You won't. You said that last month and the month before that. Just cancel it. The fifth way to save money is by trying the generic version of foods. Growing up, I always questioned my parents for buying the generic brand when the good brand was sometimes only a few cents or a few dollars more. Of course, they would tell me that when I grew up, I would understand why, and of course I denied it, and now here I am telling you guys to smash the like button below. Consider me the off-brand version of your favorite YouTuber. The sixth way to save money is to reduce your utility cost. Now, I'm not saying you should steal your neighbor's electricity or... One second. Hello? No, that's not mine. Oh, the extension cord goes to my door? I'll call you back. You don't have to do anything crazy for this one, and it's probably not going to save you a ton of money, but it can help. Don't leave the lights on if you're not using them, so if you walk out of a room, turn off the lights, open the curtains to let sunlight in, take shorter showers. It's good for the environment and for your wallet. If you have the AC on, don't leave the doors or windows open. Sound like a dad. The seventh and final way for you to save money is a little different than the rest, but it's important, and it's to think differently about spending. This one is pretty straightforward. So for example, is it only $20 or is it 2 to 3 hours of your time? Thinking of spending in terms of hours instead of dollar amounts will help you reconsider your spending. So next time you want to buy something you don't need, ask yourself if it's worth the number of hours you're going to have to work for it. There you have it, 7 realistic ways to save money. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. Leave a comment if I forgot anything or if you have any questions or suggestions or for any reason. And please subscribe for future videos. Thanks.